If you want excitement, this video is not for you. But if you want money, real money, then watch till the end, because these are boring jobs that quietly pay over $10,000 a month. Pause 1 second. And yes, anyone can learn these. Most people chase flashy businesses, crypto, dropshipping, YouTube fame, but the truth is, boring skills pay the bills. Let me show you 7 boring jobs that companies are desperately hiring for in 2025 to 2026. Job number 1, Data Cleanup Specialist. This job is painfully boring. You clean Excel sheets, fix errors, organize data. But companies pay $40 to $80 per hour for this. Why? Because bad data costs companies millions. Who can do it? Beginners, no degree, just Excel plus Google Sheets. Job number 2, CRM Manager. CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho, businesses hate setting them up. If you learn one CRM deeply, companies will pay you $5,000 to $12,000 per month. No creativity, no camera, no followers. Just systems. Job number 3, Email Automation Specialist. This is boring. Writing emails that sell again and again. One client can pay you $2,000 to $5,000 per month. 5 clients. Life changed. Most people ignore this because it's not sexy. Job number 4, Compliance and Document Review. Reading policies, checking documents, making sure rules are followed. Boring? Yes. Pays $70 to $120 per hour, especially in finance, healthcare, and AI companies. Job number 5, Website Maintenance, not design. Not building websites, maintaining them, fixing small issues, updating plugins, backups. Companies happily pay $500 to $1,500 per site per month. 10 sites equals stable income. Job number 6, AI Prompt Tester. Companies need people to test AI outputs. No coding required, just checking accuracy logic and errors. This will explode in 2026. Pay ranges from $30 to $60 per hour. Job number 7, Online Researcher. Research competitors, collect information, build reports. Extremely boring. But consulting firms pay $4,000 to $8,000 per month. None of these will make you famous. No one will clap for you, but they work. And boring income is better than exciting poverty. Pick one skill. Learn it for 30 days. Apply every day. That's how quiet money is made. If you want more boring ideas that actually work, subscribe. Because money doesn't care if your job is exciting.